You liar! Son of a gun!
Donald, you is a liar. You're a liar. You have taken 240 million people's bread away from them. That's what you did. 240 million people's bread away from them. That's what you did.
Enough. You can sit in here quietly. Can't start doing that or else you'll be subject to arrest. So bring it down.
We understand that, sir, but we have a freedom of speech.
Unacceptable. We need justice.
Sir, he's lying under oath. That's the thing.
Secretary Liu, I appreciate
He's under
your
oath.
observations on the recent election, both the positive elements and also the challenges.